In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shop banner on Etsy, a simple yet effective way to enhance your shop's presentation and attract more buyers. Having a well-curated shop banner can be the key to creating a compelling first impression, as it sets the tone and style for what customers can expect from your brand. It's a great opportunity to communicate your shop's personality and unique vibe right from the get-go. So let's dive into the process and make your shop stand out. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shop Manager on your Etsy account. This is your central hub for managing your store, and you can access it easily once you're logged into Etsy. On the left-hand side, you'll see various options, and from here, you'll want to select Edit Shop. This section is essentially your canvas for customizing your shop's appearance and layout. After you've entered the Edit Shop section, the next step is to look for the option to add a banner. It's usually situated at the top of your shop's edit page where it says Add Banner. This is where your creative journey begins, so let your imagination flourish. Having a clear vision of how the banner should look is essential. Consider what message or theme you want to convey, as this image will be one of the first things potential customers see when they land on your page. Now it's time to upload your banner image. Keep in mind that Etsy recommends a specific size for banners to ensure they display beautifully without being cut off or distorted. Typically, you'll want a high-resolution image that aligns with Etsy's dimensions. This ensures a professional and polished look for your shop. Using design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can be incredibly helpful if you need to create or size your banner correctly. These platforms offer template options tailored for Etsy that can save you time and help achieve a professional appearance. Once you've selected or created the perfect banner image, proceed by uploading it to your shop. Make sure the image resonates with the rest of your shop's aesthetics and branding, ensuring a cohesive and seamless shopping experience for your customers. It's a great idea to preview the banner before finalizing to check how it appears, ensuring it meets your expectations and enhances your shop's image. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Double-check everything, be it the banner's alignment, the overall look, or any adjustments that might be needed. Once satisfied, hit the Save Changes button to update your shop with the new banner. Remember, this banner can continuously be updated and changed as your store evolves or during seasonal promotions to keep your shop fresh and engaging. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a stunning shop banner on Etsy. With these steps completed, your shop will undoubtedly look more inviting and professional. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!